So River of Light is back and it's bigger and better than ever before. Traditionally it's just a regular fireworks show that happens on a cold winter's night, but this year it's running for 9 nights from the 1st to the 9th of November. The waterfront is completely lit up with 12 fantastic artworks. So we've got 12 different artists exhibiting their artworks here over the next 9 nights. Some of them are local, national and international artists, so we're really excited to be presenting 12 very different artworks. There's something in the programme for absolutely everyone. So the 12 artworks are dotted in and around the waterfront. Places to head to would be the Strand, the Albert Dock, St Nick's Church. You could head to Exchange Flags, head to the pier head. There's plenty of places in and around the waterfront where you can't miss these artworks. So fireworks, it's happening on the 3rd of November. Head down to the pier head or the Albert Dock for the best viewing spaces. It's all kicking off at 6:30 and it's going to be led by the wonderful Titanium, who are the best pyrotechnic company in the country, and it's got a brilliant soundtrack accompanied with some memorable songs from this year in Liverpool. If you head to visit liverpool.com/River of Light, you can find out all the information you need on fireworks.